What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm doing some live trading. The market is about to open, and I'm planning to sell my shares with you guys and see what else is available in the market. That looks like a great deal. So the market is about to open, it's probably in 10 seconds, and I'm planning right there. Market's open. I'm gonna sell my gas because I held it overnight, over the weekend, and it went up a lot, and it hit this resistance right now. So I'm gonna sell it at 89 point, let's say 10. Don't want to be greedy. It's extended hours right now, so let's check it out. Order passes through. Let's see. Alright. So is it good or is it not? Let's see the history. Did it? No, it didn't sell yet. Alright, so I'm gonna lower the price so it sells. Let me just double check again, refresh if I could. Alright, so I'm gonna lower the price to get it sold. Cancel order. View gas. Oh my gosh. I hate it when it does that. Alright, now it dropped a lot. Okay. So, come on, can you cancel the order? Alright, there you go. Come on. I should have done this a little earlier, but I wanted to save it for you guys for the live trading. We attempted to. Oh my gosh, really? You attempted to? There you go. So, alright. I'm going to sell my shares of gas, and because they're at support, at the resistance, look at this. Last time it spiked up to around this area. What happened? The price completely fell down by 10% back again. So I might try to hop onto you guys after this trade. Alright, guys? So, first let me sell this. No sellable shares are held for pending. Oh my gosh. Are you good? Canceled. Okay. This is kind of annoying. 1 share limit. Did it sell? No, alright. So it's 88 point, let's say, oh my gosh, and it keeps dropping. 0.50. I just want to get it sold. Come on. Let's see what I receive. Sorry for my voice because it's just outside. Alright, yeah, just sell it. I don't care. 20 cents isn't going to make me rich. Oh my gosh, and it keeps dropping. It doesn't want to sell itself. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So now it's sold. Alright, it's sold. It's gone. Sold it, done. It's probably going to keep dropping, so you guys would be the best option. And how I check this really quick is I use investing.com's just what do you call this? Their charts. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I use their charts because they're a little more accurate. Well, a lot more accurate than Robinhood's charts. And recently, you can see this huge gap down from 3.17 to 2.84. So it was a huge gap down over the weekend, and I held you guys over the weekend. So that means I gained tons of profit on this trade. So what's up with it next is, if you look at the price right now, you can see that it's around the area where it usually bounces around this area. You see? Around in the end of December, beginning of January. It usually bounces around this area. It may be slightly lower, yes, but it's still around the area. Nothing's ever perfect. So, if I want to take a risk, I could buy some shares, but the thing is, it may also continue to sell off down to this support at 2.8 or even 2.72. And I'm not 100% sure about this. So what's the smartest thing to do, and what I'll do is I'm going to, right now, not make any big decisions. I'm just going to hold nothing right now. And if I see natural gas start to uptrend, it'll start going up, then I'll probably buy in some shares because it'll have the profit. I'm sorry for my voice. It'll have the potential to probably hit around, let's see. Oh my gosh. Let's go. So probably have the potential to hit around 2.95 or even around 3. It might go back to around 3 depending on how big the swing is. So it's at the support right now, and it may bounce back to the resistance, which is up here, or could it just go up like it previously did to the 2.94? And we'll just check it out, guys. The most important thing is you have to be patient. And I'll just try to sell off my shares really quick. That wasn't really patient, but I need to get rid of those. So that's basically it for right now. I'm planning to record a second part if I'm gonna buy some you guys. So just stay tuned for that. All right. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Oh, and by the way, if you enjoyed my videos and uploads, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Alright guys, and a really quick update. Up around 6.5% today just because of the DGAS swing. And I'm just checking out TQQQ, the one we sold before the weekend. Turns out it's downtrending like crazy right now. Well, it's not downtrending. It bounced down like crazy, so it went down like 2.5%. And what this pattern may be forming, I need to check on some better charts. But right now from Robinhood charts, what's happening right now is that it's at this is the resistance around $45, a little less than $45. It may be forming a sort of double top pattern. So it goes down from low, it hits the top once, falls down a bit, and hits the top twice. And then if it falls below the area of 40 to even $41, then it'll break the support, and it'll most likely continue to downtrend down to maybe even this level. So that's when I would hop onto SQQQ. I'd buy this a few of these shares because they're not that expensive, and I'd probably ride it to around $16. So that's pretty good profit margin. Just wanted to update you with the information really quick, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, appreciate a like and subscribe. Thanks for everything, and have a great day.